All right, guys, fresh, bright, early. It is time for day 10 of our 28 days of Airstream renovation. Today is gonna be a long, sweltering hot day. And we're gonna get as much stuff in here done as possible. I feel like I'm right in the middle of it, wading through the muck. It's just tedious, never ending, but it's gonna look so good when I'm done. So I'm gonna get to it. But if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. All right, let's get to this day 10.
Another glorious day of paint.
Again, here is the primer that we are using. And we've got most of the walls, well, all of the wall with its first coat. And the shower's looking real good.
Tools of the trade.
Mask, gloves, stir stick, and a roller, but it's not in there right now. I sanded the bathroom cabinet and I sprayed it down and wiped it with the TSP solution. Let it dry, and now I'm gonna go over it with 2 coats of primer. All right, guys, so that is an abrupt ending to day number 10. It got really, really, really hot out and the AC kept not working and I was just having issues, so I decided to call it a day. But tomorrow is day 11 and we've got a ton more work to do. So if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so that you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. And we will see you tomorrow. All right, bye.